Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OnePlus 12 for a senior person. To do this, let's open our settings and inside in the search, let's enter simple. There's a simple mode that we can enter like this. And that is honestly all we have to do. You can always experiment in all settings and then accessibility. There should be no special features. Or actually there's not. So let's just search for accessibility. And here you can go to general, vision, hearing and interaction, experiment with those settings or adjust them however you like, but in most of the cases I think this simple mode should be enough. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.